My children are well brought up by God's grace, and whatever I say, they will do. I don't need to make a will to distribute my properties to them. You must be the luckiest person in the world. One of the major issues troubling us as a people, particularly in this part of the world, is the fact that in cases where we obviously need to act, we avoid acting in God's name, believing that God will do everything for us. But it does not work that way. Now, let me tell you this truth, and please think about it. If you're fortunate enough to have all your children live in peace and harmony in your lifetime, the responsibility is now upon you to do all you can to make sure that they continue to enjoy such peace and unity after you are gone. Because if you fail to plan ahead in your lifetime, it is very possible that your death or issues around distribution of your properties will result in family crisis that even the court cannot resolve. So what will it cost you to take your time to plan? Wouldn't you rather ensure to put your house in order than to take chances with your children handling their affairs themselves? You see, I have seen cases where the children of a deceased became sworn enemies because of land, even though the properties are enough to go round. I have also seen cases where the family members of the deceased tormented the beneficiaries of the deceased and left them begging to survive. In the course of my work, I have seen cases where spouses are stripped of all they once enjoyed simply because of the death of their spouses who never had an estate plan. By this, I mean a will or a trust. Let me tell you this. It is actually legal and also your responsibility to put it in writing, in a will or in a trust. You need to take time to write down how you want the properties to be shared among your beneficiaries. Your mere words of instruction to your beneficiaries cannot hold waters when crises ensue after you are gone. The dead will not speak again to the living, but a formidable estate plan through a will or a trust will help you speak from the grave, and most importantly, create a calm atmosphere within the family in your absence. Please do not leave anything to chance, I beg you. Call your lawyer today and ask the right questions. Seek guidance and get an estate plan. Write it down for all to see when time comes. Get informed, get proper knowledge, make a will or a trust. Remember, an unplanned estate is a potential chaos being nurtured by you today. I am the estate planning attorney.